Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest in consumer goods. Today, we're diving into the world of refreshing cocktails with a twist. I present to you the ultimate companion for moms who deserve a break, the GALVANOX Margarita Freezer Glass. Now, before we delve into why this is the best Mom Margarita glass out there, let's talk about what sets it apart. Crafted with precision and care, this glass isn't just your ordinary cocktail companion. It's a game changer. Made from durable borosilicate glass, it boasts a 12-ounce capacity, ensuring that every sip is as satisfying as the last. But wait, there's more. The double-walled design isn't just for aesthetics, it's a genius addition. Say goodbye to watered-down drinks, thanks to the built-in liquid freezer gel. Your margaritas stay icy cold without any dilution, ensuring maximum flavor with every sip. Imagine this. It's been a long day, and you finally have a moment to unwind. You reach for your GALVANOX Margarita glass, take a sip, and instantly feel refreshed. That's the power of this innovative glass. But why stop there? This glass isn't just functional, it's stylish too. With fun and quirky designs like, "This Mama is off duty," it's the perfect gift for any mom who deserves a break. Plus, it's dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. And there you have it, folks, the best Mom Margarita glass on the market. Treat yourself or surprise a loved one with this must-have accessory for any cocktail enthusiast. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Until next time, cheers!